Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 6161, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows: the meaning of angel number 6161, the spiritual significance. What does it mean for love? What does 6161 mean for twin flames? What does it mean for manifestation? How does 6161 affect finances? What does it mean for former relationships? How does 6161 guide your work life? What are the strengths? What are the weaknesses? And lastly, a summary. What's the symbolism of angel number 6161? The symbolism of 6161 revolves around balance, healing, and the power of personal transformation. The number 6 symbolizes domestic stability, compassion, and service to others, while the number 1 represents forward movement, individuality, and fresh starts. The repeating pattern highlights cycles, especially the need to close outdated routines and adopt more supportive belief. Symbolically, 6161 asks you to review your emotional and material priorities. It encourages a reset where old limitations are replaced with empowering choices. This number often appears when you're being urged to trust your inner wisdom while staying grounded in love, responsibility, and practical stability. What is the angel number 6161 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 6161 emphasizes healing through harmony, conscious change, and the alignment of inner truth with outer reality. The number 6 grounds you in compassion and responsibility, while 1 asks you to trust your higher self and embrace leadership over your spiritual path. Together, they signify the need to take control of your spiritual development while still honoring connections with family, community, or soul tribe. 6161 encourages self-reflection, letting go of outdated beliefs, and focusing on a life rooted in divine purpose. It's a gentle nudge from your angels to stay strong during transitions and create a spiritually fulfilling lifestyle. What does the angel number 6161 mean for love? In love, 6161 speaks to the need for balance, mutual respect, and personal growth within relationship. It urges you to evaluate whether your current relationship nurtures both your emotional needs and your personal evolution. If you're in a partnership, 6161 calls for open communication and realignment of shared values. For singles, it suggests preparing emotionally and spiritually for a meaningful connection. This number also hints at healing from past wounds to create space for authentic love. Overall, 6161 invites you to lead with both heart and strength, ensuring your relationships are based on stability, harmony, and self-respect. What does angel number 6161 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 6161 indicates a phase of rebalancing, healing, and personal empowerment. It may point to a period of separation or realignment where both individuals must focus on healing past wounds and building stronger foundations. The number 6 highlights emotional support and connection, while 1 represents individuality and new beginnings. 6161 may show up when each twin is being encouraged to grow independently before reuniting with deeper purpose. This angel number supports the idea that true union only happens when both souls are whole. It's a sign that divine timing is at work, guiding the next steps forward. What does angel number 6161 for manifestation? Angel number 6161 supports manifestation through mindset shifts, healing routines, and grounded focus. The dual energies of 6 and 1 remind you to align emotional stability, 6 with personal drive, 1 to create the reality you desire. It encourages you to release limiting beliefs, especially those rooted in insecurity or fear of change. When you focus on balance between giving and receiving, action and reflection, your desires begin to materialize. 6161 emphasizes that manifestation isn't only about thought but also about how aligned your inner world is with your actions. Keep faith and maintain positive intentions for best result. How does angel number 6161 affect finances? Financially, 6161 encourages responsible management and the creation of lasting security. This number may signal that your finances are shifting, and you must take conscious steps to support both short and long-term goals. It also asks you to trust in your ability to create abundance through persistence and smart planning. If you've been overly focused on money or neglecting it entirely, 6161 pushes for a more mindful, balanced approach to achieving financial wellness. What does angel number 6161 mean for former relationships? Angel number 6161 encourages healing and closure when it comes to past relationships. It suggests reflecting on what those relationships taught you without clinging to pain or nostalgia. The energy of 6 calls for forgiveness, compassion, and learning from experience, while 1 signifies renewal and personal independence. This number often appears when you're ready to finally let go of an emotional attachment or past hurt that's holding you back. It invites you to embrace a new chapter with more emotional clarity and self-love. Moving forward with lessons learned will prepare you for healthier, more fulfilling connections. How does angel number 6161 guide your work life? In your work life, 6161 guides you toward achieving balance between ambition and personal values. The presence of 1 encourages fresh ideas, leadership, and starting new professional ventures, while 6 highlights the need for service, teamwork, and emotional well-being. This angel number may appear when you're being called to reassess whether your career aligns with your core beliefs and home life. It can indicate a time to step into a leadership role or shift into a purpose-driven path. If you're feeling unfulfilled at work, 6161 suggests it's time to initiate change that brings both financial and emotional satisfaction. What are the strengths of angel number 6161? The strengths of angel number 6161 include resilience, emotional intelligence, and the ability to harmonize change with stability. People influenced by this number often carry a nurturing spirit balanced with self-motivation. They're capable of leading others while remaining grounded and compassionate. 6161's vibration promotes healing, integrity, and adaptability, making it powerful for anyone undergoing personal transformation. It encourages responsible choices, forward thinking, and maintaining peace in times of transition. This number blends heart and logic, allowing for holistic decision-making. Its core strength lies in the ability to create secure foundations while fearlessly stepping into new beginnings with purpose. What are the weaknesses of angel number 6161? The weaknesses of angel number 6161 can include resistance to change, emotional overdependence, or an imbalanced focus on stability at the expense of growth. Those under its influence might struggle to release familiar patterns, even when they no longer serve a higher purpose. The nurturing energy of 6 can turn into martyrdom or people-pleasing, while the independence of 1 might lead to impulsiveness or isolation if not kept in check. 6161 also warns against ignoring personal needs while trying to fix others. Developing boundaries, embracing change, and maintaining emotional equilibrium are essential to overcoming the shadow side of this number.